Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make two emojis. I'm going to make the heart eye emoji and the winking emoji, but you can make any kind you want. Here's what you need to get started. You need yellow, black, and red Play-Doh. You also need a Play-Doh rolling pin, circle cutter, and knife. But if you don't have any of these, that is okay. You can just use a real one, but be sure to ask an adult for permission first. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the emoji face using the yellow Play-Doh. On the heart eye emoji first. On to making this emoji smile. Isn't the heart eye emoji cute? Now we're going to make the wink wink emoji. Emoji. I chose these ones because I thought that they were a perfect match because he is winking at her and she is in love with him. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.